What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing yet another unboxing for one of my favourite products, which are the Philips HUE lights. So if you haven't seen the other videos on my channel, I've done plenty of unboxing videos on the HUE lights before. I absolutely love the HUE lights. I think they're amazing, and for the purpose I use them for and for what I need, I think they're fantastic. And I honestly just don't know what I would have done without these HUE lights, because they're just amazing. It's just, everything's so centralized, and you know, I can just access everything straight on my phone when I want to turn the lights on and off. And I know it sounds lazy, but I don't have to get up either. I can just be sitting on the sofa, sitting on the couch, bang, turn the light on, bang, turn the light off. I'm done. It's just brilliant. I love the products. So as you guys just saw, I just unboxed for you guys the Philips HUE Bloom light. And I think so far, first impressions, it's absolutely fantastic. I got it for a very, very specific purpose, and that is my YouTube videos that I'm making for you guys to see and enjoy and learn from. So although I'm going to be making lots of tech videos, talking about my camera equipment, talking about new tech products coming out, plenty of unboxings and plenty of fun stuff to come, and I may even be sitting down in front of the camera like this during my vlogs too. If you haven't checked out my vlogs, go check out the playlist, it's on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos and you like my content, because it would really help me immensely. So I cannot thank you guys enough who have subscribed to my channel, and I hope everyone else, I hope you're all enjoying the content so far. So first of all, we've got the Philips HUE Bloom light, and I know it's a massive box. I love the slogan on the bottom here, which says "Colour your world with light." This is the Philips HUE Bloom light. As you can see, circumference wise, compared to the size of my head, it's actually quite large of a light, and I like it. I think it may have done a bit better if it came in a black version. I don't actually know if it does come in a black version. I think they're just white. There's white on the box as well. So basically, when you're looking at the light like this, that's the front of the light. That's what it looks like sideways. Underneath here, where the cable goes, that is the serial number under there. If you have purchased a HUE Bloom light, let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to hear what you guys think. This one that I've purchased here retails for about £60 on Amazon. You can get them cheaper. There are often discounts and offers that are running. I've checked previously around Black Friday. The HUE lights don't seem to be on offer around that time, but it doesn't hurt to look. So hopefully you guys will find some nice discounts. I just happen to love these HUE lights. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I love them, and I'm looking for something to upgrade my setup, and I want it to look good for you guys. We've just started experimenting with some B-roll footage, so check that out too. That is in my Persian Prince Bites playlist on my channel. It's not just that I want to make these videos for you guys to learn something from and see the products, you know, might help you make an informed decision if you want to buy them or not, but also while we're talking and while we're going through stuff, I want you guys to have a nice scenery and atmosphere when you're watching these videos. Okay guys, so are you ready for the big reveal? This is the final moments, so you're going to see what the light looks like behind me. So I am switching on the Philips HUE Bloom light in 3, 2, 1, go. That looks good. I like that a lot. I also like the colours as well, like the orange and teal. I like that a lot. I think this looks very good. Okay, in all honesty, I have to give this product a 10 out of 10. This is absolutely fantastic, and as I said, it's for the purpose that I need it for. It's not bright enough to fill a whole room, so if that's what you're looking for, then that's the wrong choice. If you're using the light for a purpose like this, where you just want to brighten up one wall behind you, then I think that's absolutely perfect for something like that. I have to be quite honest with you guys, this was not my first choice purchase. Although it was my first choice, I went for the cheaper alternative, which were the HUE light bulbs, and that didn't work out so well. So I'm currently using the HUE white light bulbs in my room anyway. I tried to use one of the colour light bulbs, which I don't currently own, so I did actually order one, try it out, sat down in front of my camera to start recording, and as soon as I turned on the colour, it was a complete fail. So Yeah, I mean, it really depends on what you're looking for and what you actually want specifically for your needs. But if you're looking to do something like this current setup where you've got light behind you, lighting up the room, and you're doing YouTube videos like this, for example, then this light and what you're seeing back there, it's absolutely fantastic. I love the way this looks, and I'm not finished yet. So just so you guys know, there are more products coming. I'm not finished with my YouTube setup yet. If you've seen the shelves up there behind me, yeah, they're my YouTube shelves, if you will. I keep my camera equipment on there and some Assassin's Creed models and stuff behind me. And I'm yet to do a video about those too, so there's a lot more content coming, guys. So please do subscribe to the channel. Especially if you haven't already, and do like this video if you want to see more content coming. Everything you guys do, everything you help me with, it really does help support me, and I really do appreciate it. And at the end of the day, I hope you guys are getting something out of these videos. And like I said earlier, especially with these HUE lights, helps you make a more informed decision as to how they work, and is it something that you need, or will you be looking for a different product. So yeah, I am very happy with this. And this is exactly what I was looking for. It's exactly how I imagined it to be. And yeah, I'm not finished yet. There are lots more things that I am upgrading and I am doing. And it's going to be very exciting, guys. There's a lot of stuff coming. So I can't express it anymore. But subscribe. Subscribe, watch out. Hit the notification bell as well, because you want to be informed when that content hits YouTube. So thank you guys very much. Overly happy with this. I'm smiling like the Joker right now. Wow. I've wanted this for so long. I've wanted this for so long. You've no idea. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.